Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a test pour, actually more than a test pour, I'll do a pour. I got these DecoArt premium acrylics. This is a green gold and a phthalo turquoise, and this one is a cobalt teal hue. And I mixed them up like I do with my Floetrol and PVA and added a little bit of silicone to them. So I thought these three colors would probably do a pretty cool flip and drag. So that's what we're going to try them on. So let's see how they work. I've never used them before, so we want to do a tester. So I'm going to start with my little 5-ounce cup, and I'm going to spray my WD-40 silicone spray. And I am going to rub this one in. Okay, move that back a little bit. So I want to do my normal flip and drag and airbrush it out, but I want to be careful with the green gold because I think it will overpower the turquoise. The cobalt teal hue. Yes, cobalt teal hue. So I think I'm going to start with the dark blue, the phthalo turquoise. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the green gold. I want to make sure I have enough that it shows up. Let me put just a little bit of that over top of it. I like these darker colors in the flip and drags. And a little bit of this cobalt. And that should be plenty of paint. Not much, is it? Not much for a flip and drag. I'm going to put it in the middle of the canvas. I just shook this, so we're going to have bubbles. Bubbles. Okay. See them all? Where's my spatula? Here we go. I put a lot on there because I want to use that one up. So I have a fresh one. And I want to make sure if there's any lumps in it, I can see them. It's hard to see when it's thin. We're going to tilt most of this off anyway. And let's do that. I see a clumpy. So I haven't posted any videos in a few days, but I did hang out on Facebook a little bit, showing off the dried paintings, and I cleaned, oh geez, maybe 30 paintings that are ready to be varnished, so I'm going to work on those. And my son is going to help me photograph them. I have quite a few already photographed. I just need to upload them onto Etsy. But I need a day when I can sit down and type up the descriptions and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to pop the air bubbles. Heating up your paint releases the air bubbles. You don't want to get too close because you might burn your paint and you get a skin on it. We're going to torch this again after I drag, so maybe I'll get most of them out. Okay, so let me poke a hole. And I can see the lime green setting on top. The green gold, I'm sorry. I do a lot of paintings with these colors. I just love the blue and the green together. And I'm going to grab a little bit of this right here. And I'm going to bring it down here. Let it set and fill in. Look at the cells. Pretty, pretty. Yeah. A couple little spots there. There's one. Another one. It's actually right here. That I can fix though, tilting it. So I'm just bringing it down a little bit, trying to fill up the canvas. Gosh, that's pretty. That'd be your right side, my left. This right here is beautiful. Yeah. Makes you almost not want to move a painting. Cool. Nice paint. Has good flow. I'm always game to try new products. If any companies are out there watching, want to sponsor my channel, shoot me an email at christinawelchart@yahoo.com. I'd be more than happy to talk with you. Colors are just so vibrant. That green in there is a mix of the phthalo turquoise and the green gold. It made that beautiful green. Let's see how it airbrushes. There's only some spots I wanna leave that alone right there. I think I'll start on this end and work my way over. So I checked with Amazon yesterday on the influencer program. Apparently I have not been accepted yet, so I probably need more subscribers, or have been on YouTube a little bit longer, but I think what I'm going to do is post the links for the products that I buy on my Facebook page. I can do it through the Associates program. I have to work with it a little bit so that it'll take you directly to the item. I'm being so careful. I really don't want to move too much of this here, because then we're going to end up with that green gold coming out. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love that there, what that did. Let's turn it around and get the other side. I love all of this. I might just touch a few spots. Just to emphasize this. I still have a lot of white on there. I'm going to try flip and drag where I put the cup on after I lay the white, so that way I get more white off. Yeah. So that's the problem when you have too much white. You don't get the feathery edge as much, because it just wants to break up. So you really have to push that edge out. There's some blue right there. I'm going to grab it. I love it. It's bold. It's not feathery like my normal ones are. It's just bold colors. Let me give it a torch. So the white that I used was Artist Loft Acrylic Flow with Floetrol and water. 50-50 mix. And you want it thin enough to flow off your board. You don't want it as thick as your paints. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment if you want. And join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, where you can see lots of pictures and shoot me messages through there as well. And if you need to contact me as on another route, if you're not on Facebook, you can reach me at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. Pretty, 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 pretty. I'm really loving this one. The cells are crazy inside there. So I want to tell everybody thank you for joining me today. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye now.